Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy that you are here and clicked on today's video. I'm going to show you guys my day, a little bit of my routine. And right now I'm just starting off with some coffee. I don't drink a full cup of coffee anymore. I usually drink mushroom coffee, and then on days when I need it, I'll go ahead and make half a cup of coffee and then still put in my mushroom powder and the collagen and probiotic powder that I have, just a whole coffee cup of supplements. I've been doing this for a few months now, and just that concoction that I make in those supplements I take have been a game changer in my life. I can see it in my skin and how I feel each day. Next, we're going to go ahead and get ready for my workout. This is something that I have been trying to do daily, is get up and do my workout in the morning, because if I wait until the afternoon, most likely it's not going to get done. And when I miss a workout, I feel it. So I want to make sure I get that in. It helps with me physically and mentally, and it just sets my day up right. So we just put a load of laundry in. That is something I try to do daily so I can try and attempt to stay on top of my laundry. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my pre-workout. We're going to make that drink, start drinking that, and jump into the workout. So lately, when I haven't been able to make it to the gym, I've just been turning on YouTube and finding some dumbbell home workouts, and my workouts have still been very beneficial. And I'll go ahead and link the YouTube channel that I watch for my workout. She has some amazing ones with and without dumbbells, so I will link that below. So my workout's done. I got into the shower, got cleaned up, and I just went ahead and put on some comfy clothes because we are lounging around the house today and just getting some things done. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make some egg bites or egg muffins, whatever you'd like to call them. We make this often over here, so I do everything. I just eyeball everything. So first I'm going ahead and putting up some crumbled sausage in a muffin pan. If you don't have a nonstick muffin pan, then you want to spray some like olive oil spray in there first. And then you're going to go ahead and throw in your spinach. Really, you can put anything in here. People put veggies, different kind of meats, ham, things like that. But I went ahead and put our sausage in. I already cooked it. Now we're going to add the spinach, and I'm just eyeballing it. I don't want to fill it up too much because I know I need to have room for the egg whites. I'll go ahead and pour that in there, but I'm not pouring it all the way to the top because I want to leave some room at the top to add the cheese, some salt and pepper, and bam. Then you're just going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, and you're going to throw it in there for 15 minutes or until it's golden brown around the edges. So while that is baking, I wanted to go ahead and share my new water bottles from bottlebottle.com. They are a new young water bottle brand, and they are here to empower each person to live a healthy, active, and happy life. So they do have a variety of water bottles, from tumblers, shakers, can coolers, kids and glass ones. They also sell on Amazon. So I wanted to show you a few of the bottles I ordered, and this is the 26-ounce insulated shaker bottle. It's easy to mix any powders. It doesn't have any noise when you are shaking the bottle. It also keeps drinks cold for 24 hours and then keeps hot drinks hot for 12 hours. So it is leak proof, and then it has the buckle at the top so you can hook it onto a backpack if you are carrying it to like a sporting event or hiking, or if you want to make a protein shake before you head to work and link it on your bag, you can do that. I really like this bottle, and they have a few other colors that are so pretty. So this is one of my favorites. It's a 3-in-1 magic bottle. So what's really cool is it's 2 bottles hidden in one. And the other day we were riding in the car, Ava had ran out of her water in her water bottle and she wanted a drink of mine. Well, she's been kind of under the weather and I didn't want to catch her cold. So I had this water bottle filled up and I was able to just take it apart, make it 2, pour some water in the bottom tumbler and give it to her. So then Mama doesn't get sick, but then she still had some water to drink because of course I wanted to make sure that she was staying hydrated, especially with having a cold. So it also keeps drinks cold for 12 hours. It does come in biodegradable materials, so it also helps reduce environmental pollution. So they do have a variety of colors for these water bottles that are so pretty. You guys should definitely check them out. I will have the bottle.com website down below along with their Amazon link. This is definitely an Amazon favorite of mine. I am so happy with the bottles. They're also giving you guys a 10% off code that I will link down below. Thank you so much, bottle.com, for sponsoring this portion of my video. So the egg muffins are done baking, and let me tell you, these are one of my favorite things to make and just have on hand in the refrigerator, and everybody enjoys them here at the house. We usually just have like 2 at a time. If you do end up storing them in the fridge and reheating them, you just want to reheat them at 30 to 40 seconds in the microwave and they come out so good. This has been like my go-to snack or breakfast on the go. And you also just want to make sure you are storing them in a closed airtight container. So now we're going to go ahead and clean up the mess, get the kitchen cleaned. I wanted to steam mop the floors because they definitely needed it. I did some cleaning around the house the last few days, but didn't get a chance to do the floors. So that is what we are going to do. So I put all of my appliances away in the cabinets. I don't like to keep them on the counters except for our coffee maker. So I'm just wiping down our water kettle right now so I can store it away. So I've been neglecting my sliding glass door for too long. It was so dirty. You're literally gonna see the before and after, how it's just like foggy like this. And then once I clean it, it's gonna be so clear. I'm just using my window e-cloth, and that is just with a little water on that cloth, and the fibers do the job. It cleans it really well, and then it has that buffing cloth for me to dry. And then I just cleaned that bottom tracking right there. And as you can see, there was tons of dirt. I live in a very dusty place. So when the dust and dirt blows around, it really gets into the tracking of our windows. There's Remy hanging out with me, watching what Mama is doing. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean up the living room real quick. We really haven't been hanging out in here that much just because our schedules are all so different, and when we do get a chance to like sit down and watch TV or movies together, we are watching it upstairs in the loft now because we did go ahead and purchase a projector that we did order from Amazon, and it was super affordable. I guess I just didn't have any idea how much those things were going for, and so we have it set up in the loft and we will watch movies, and it's like we have our own little theater, our little small DIY theater, but it's super fun. We also got like a sound system. We just got a few new speakers, but it's really cool because it gives you that theater sound effect. So we've been loving it and kind of hanging out in there more often. So usually I would remove the rugs from the kitchen, but ever since I put those sticky pads on underneath them to hold the rugs in place, I just go ahead and mop around it. But when I do my spring cleaning here in a few days, then I'm gonna go ahead and just pull them apart so I can do the whole entire floor. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off with cleaning my sink, and then I'm going to go hang out with my family. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see all of you guys in the next one. Please comment down below and say hi so I know that you were here. Also, check out bottlesbottles.com and see what they have. You might find something that you like. And don't forget that 10% off coupon code. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.